back again to my channel Informatica Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. And in this video, I'm going to talk about full stack development in Salesforce. What is exactly the full stack development in Salesforce? Whether you should go for full stack development on Salesforce or not. Is full stack development a better career choice or full stack development? Is there any kind of development in Salesforce? All these things I will be talking in this video. So if you're new to this channel, I would like to introduce myself. So I am an IT guy, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technological experience, and lots more that you can think regarding IT and all. So let's start the video. So first of all, being a full stack developer, you need to be very much hands-on on the front end as well as in the back end part. See, once you go into the full stack, you are a kind of a code developer who are involved in the various kind of development in sense of business logic development, application development and all. So Salesforce being a business platform, as it is a CRM, that is a customer relationship management tool. So it's a platform which is designed as per the business needs and requirement. So yes, whenever there is a development work that is needed as per the business requirement, there is a requirement of codings and developments. So if codings are required, there are backends also that need to be integrated with databases and all. But the one best thing about Salesforce is that they are having their own database, so you don't have to work on the JDBC part and all to do connections to the database. But yes, it's not like that you don't need to code in Salesforce. You can be a full stack Salesforce developer in which you should be having a knowledge of LWC, that is a Lightning Web Component, Aura Component, in fact Apex, triggers, flows, process builder, everything you should be aware of. In fact, you should be having a hands-on knowledge so that you can make the best while having all the skill set in your knowledge tree. Now you might be thinking whether Salesforce is not only the platform where we need to work on and drag and drop tools. So it's a very wrong concept that you are having in your mind. See, Salesforce is a platform, a PaaS platform and infrastructure, PaaS and SaaS platform which provide you an application for your business so that you can maintain your customer relationship data over there. In fact, your day-to-day happenings of the business can be maintained in the Salesforce. तो आप Salesforce CRM को ऐसे समझ सकते हो, लाइक बिजनेस में आप लोग रफ रिकॉर्ड रखते हो तो उसके लिए कॉपी चाहिए होता है, तो लाइक उसी के डिजिटल फॉर्म में टू मेक इट एक्सेसिबल टू एवरीवन थ्रू द क्लाउड. Salesforce is a CRM provider which is having their storage or having their space in the cloud, and they are delivering it towards the business to provide them the solution as per their business needs and requirement. Like my business requirement might be something different, as I am an suppose I am in a business having related to FMCG. Someone may be having a business related to means something technical kind of stuff like repair parts and all. Some businesses might be of food chain, some businesses might be of clothing industry. So every business have their own requirement, own customization, own rules and regulation, own way of working, own design, own way of billing, own way of everything. So everything Salesforce cannot provide by their own. But what they can do, they can provide the platform where you can build up the total system and total environment that is required by the business. So yes, once you go into the full stack development, you can be a kind of a developer who can develop a full stack full application, full running application for any of the businesses, maybe using of LWC or a component, triggers or any kind of things that you are thinking of. Mainly in business tool, list and collections are the best part to take and receive and lose the data, means retrieve and to pull and to push the data kind of stuff, because that is the most required part in the total system or total total system. Now you might be thinking कि full stack development में क्या career growth है, कैसा career growth होगा, हम लोगों को कितना ऊपर तक जा सकते हैं being a full stack developer. So I would say, see, whenever you are into a full stack development, the career growth can be at any limit. It will be kind of a depending upon the business needs and requirement. As you know, IT market run on the basis of how the market requirement is there. If market requirement is there, you can get any package that you are expecting. Means it should be in line and length. You cannot get 2 Arabs or kind of more. You can get crores also if requirements are there. In limits, if you think you can get anything whenever there is a business requirement and need in the market, but the vice versa is also true. So you should need to take care of all this thing, and being a developer, you gain a lots of knowledge, skill set, so that you gain a more confidence to work in any of the application in future, and that definitely give you the boost to make the best that you can. Now let's come to the things that which businesses are implementing Salesforce. See, most of the businesses which is having their numbers, a good number of client footfall, they are maintaining their Salesforce application, they are implementing their Salesforce application. So you can see right now the implementation is kind of, most of them have already implemented, most of them are in the implementation phase. So Salesforce is gaining a great market in terms of CRMs right now, and expected to be in a great pace in future. So if you are planning to switch into a Salesforce development, you can do. But yes, many of you might be have a question, यार मेरे को तो development stuff पसंद नहीं, क्या मैं Salesforce में तब जा सकता हूँ? Yes, there is also a profile known as Salesforce Administrator, Salesforce enhancement profile and all, where you have to work on the predefined things that has been already developed by some of the developer. You have to either enhance the particular process of business, or you have to provide the accesses and design the application to run more smoothly. I hope you understand what I mean to say. So in Salesforce there are both kind of profile, and you can expect anything. ठीक है, अब मैं करोड़ बोल दिया तो उस बात पे तो स्टिक मत रहना. वेरी जनरल, Salesforce has a good market, but yes, they will be giving you a kind of a better market standard package. Just I want to say that I told crore in order to emphasize, like, yes, you can get if there is a requirement of some architect and all. Some of the company may pay you, but not always. And being a developer only, you can get that kind of, a business analyst cannot make till that. If you have some roles and responsibility other than that, like some leadership role in that project, you may get, being a little less knowledge also. But yes, things totally depend on the scenario. I am talking in a ideal scenario. Okay, so yes, you will be getting a good pay. Many of the service industry not pay you better, but yes, many of the startup you can see pay you a great pay, and in service industry also they pay, but for experience they pay a little bit higher pay. But for all, it's not like that. So I hope you got a lot of insight from this video, and I hope you come to know about the full stack development in Salesforce. And I hope if you think to switch into the Salesforce career, you can go if you are having a development skill, as well as if you are thinking of an admin part, you can also move in that. I hope you got lots of insight. Let's keep the video till here. If you think this video was somehow valuable to you, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friend group. We'll meet you soon with a new informative content. Tab tak ke liye take care. Bye bye.